Good morning students, welcome to today's maths class. So we have been discussing about chapter 18, fundamental concepts of algebra. Next topic, algebraic expressions. An algebraic expression is a collection of one or more terms which are separated from each other by the signs plus and or minus. So algebraic expression means it is a collection of more than one terms, and these terms are separated from each other by the signs plus and or minus. Okay, in an algebraic expression the terms are separated by using plus or minus sign. If there is plus or minus sign means you can count the number of terms. So let us take one example. 5x, first one 5x. Here we can't find any plus or minus sign, so this is one term. 5x is one term. Okay, 5x, it means 5 into x. Multiplication and division will not separate any terms. If multiplication and division is coming means you should consider it as one term. Multiplication ആണ് വരുന്നതെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ അതിനെ ഒരു ടേം ആയിട്ടാണ് കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. 5x മീൻസ് 5 ഇൻറ്റു എക്സ്, അവിടെ മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ആണ് വരുന്നത്. സോ ദിസ് ഇസ് വൺ ടേം. പ്ലസ്സോ മൈനസോ സൈൻ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിലാണ് ടേംസിനെ സെപ്പറേറ്റ് ചെയ്ത മോർ ദാൻ വൺ ടേം. വി ക്യാൻ കൗണ്ട് ദ നമ്പർ ഓഫ് ടേംസ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഹിയർ ഓൺലി വൺ ടേം ഈസ് ദർ, ദാറ്റ് ടേം ഈസ് 5x. നെക്സ്റ്റ് 8xy സ്ക്വയർ. സോ ഹിയർ ഓൾസോ 8xy സ്ക്വയർ മീൻസ് 8 ഇൻറ്റു എക്സ് ഇൻറ്റു വൈ സ്ക്വയർ. So here also multiplication is coming, so there is only one term in this. Okay, third one 3x plus 8z. So you can see a plus sign here. So how many terms are there? We know that plus or minus sign will separate terms. Plus or minus sign ആണ് termsനെ separate ചെയ്യുക. So here 3x is one term and 8z it is the second term. So here there are two terms. Okay, they are 3x and 8z. Now fourth one 4x minus y plus 7. So here minus sign and plus sign is coming. So we know that plus or minus sign will separate the terms. 4x, it is one term. Second term it is y. And third term it is z. Okay, these are the three terms of this algebraic expression, and they are separated by minus sign first, then plus sign. Okay, there are three terms here. Always remember, plus sign or minus sign will separate the terms. Multiplication and division will not separate the terms. Okay, so 4x is one term, y is second term, z is third term. Fifth one 7xy plus 2a by y minus 3z plus 8. So here you can see, here one plus sign is coming, minus sign is coming, then again plus sign is coming. So these signs will separate the terms. So you can take this as 7xy is the first term, 2a by y is the second term, 3z is the third term, and 8 is the fourth term. Okay, multiplication and division will not separate the terms, only plus or minus sign will separate the terms. So here there are four terms. Okay, now in this box it is given in the algebraic expression 4x minus y plus 7. So how many terms are there in this algebraic expression? You can see here one minus sign is coming, here plus sign. So this is 4x is first term, y is second term, and 7 is third term. Three terms are there here. Okay, terms are separated by plus or minus sign. So in this 7 is the constant term. Okay, 7, simply 7, or this term 7 is the constant term because it does not contain any literal or variable. 7 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് കോൺസ്റ്റൻറ്റ് ടേം ആയിരിക്കും, കാരണം 7ൽ ഒരു വേരിയബിളും ഇല്ല. ഓക്കെ, സിമിലർലി ഇൻ ദിസ് ആൾജിബ്രൈക് എക്സ്പ്രഷൻ 7xy plus 2a by y minus 3z plus 8. 8 is the constant term because it does not contain any literal or variable. Okay, next topic, types of algebraic expression. algebraic expression are of 5 types. First one, monomial. An algebraic expression with only one term is called a monomial. So if an algebraic expression contains only one term, then it is called a monomial. Example, we can take -8. Only one term is there, -8. Z, xy. We know that multiplication will not separate terms. This is a single term, xy, x into y. Multiplication വരുമ്പോൾ രണ്ട് ടേം ആക്കരുത്, അത് ഒരു ടേം ആയിട്ട് കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യണം. 2x, this is a single term. 5y, a single term. 2x by 5y. Here multiplication and division. We know that terms are separated by പ്ലസ് ഓ മൈനസ് സൈൻ ഓൺലി. ടേംസിനെ സെപ്പറേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് പ്ലസ് സൈനോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ മൈനസ് സൈനോ ആണ്. മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷനും ഡിവിഷനും വന്ന് അതിനെ സിംഗിൾ ടേം ആയിട്ട് വേണം കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യാൻ. ദിസ് ഈസ് എ സിംഗിൾ ടേം. 2x by 5y ഈസ് എ സിംഗിൾ ടേം. ഓക്കെ, ദീസ് ആർ ഓൾ എക്സാമ്പിൾസ് ഫോർ മോണോമിയൽസ്. Second one, binomial. An algebraic expression of two unlike terms is called a binomial. That is, an algebraic expression having two terms. Okay, for example, let us take 5x plus 2y. So here you can see plus sign. So 5x is one term and 2y is the second term. Okay, these terms are separated by plus sign here. Two terms. So this is called a binomial. An algebraic expression having two terms. Two unlike terms we can say. They are unlike. Variables are not same. Next one, 7 minus x. So here minus sign you can see and two terms are there. 7 is first term and x is second term. So this is a binomial. 4x plus y. This is also a binomial. 4x is one term, y is the second term. Okay, two terms are there. So it is a binomial. Y plus zy. This is a binomial. Y is one term and zy is the second term, etc. Third one, trinomial. An algebraic expression containing three terms is called a trinomial. So if an algebraic expression contains three terms, it is called a trinomial. Example, ax square plus bx plus c. So here plus sign. We know that plus or minus sign will separate the terms. So ax square is first term, bx is second term and c is third term. Three terms are there. So it is a trinomial. 2x square minus 7x plus 4. So here also 2x square first term, 7x second term, 4 third term. Three terms are there. So it is a trinomial. Similarly, xy minus x plus y square. xy first term, x second term, y square third term. So it is a trinomial. Okay. Fourth one, multinomial. An algebraic expression with the two or more than two terms is called a multinomial. So if an algebraic expression contains two terms or three terms, 4 terms, 5 terms, all that will come under multinomial. Okay, at least or algebraic expression il 2 terms engilum undengi, 2 or more than 2, then it is a multinomial. So you can see example, 3x plus 2, 5 minus x, a square minus 7x. These are all algebraic expression or multinomial of two terms. Two terms illulla multinomial aanu idu. Okay, 3x plus 2, two terms are there. 5 minus x, two terms are there. A square minus 7x, two terms are there. So these are all multinomial of two terms. Okay, second one, 7 plus x minus xy plus y square. So here how many terms are there? 7 is the first term, x second term, xy third term, y square fourth term. Plus minus plus. These will separate the terms, plus or minus sign. Okay, so there are 4 terms here. So this is a multinomial of 4 terms. Okay, third one, a plus ab minus b square plus 7x minus z. This is a multinomial of how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 terms. Okay, so a multinomial contains 2 or more than 2 terms. Fifth one, polynomial. An algebraic expression with one or more unlike terms is called a polynomial. So polynomial includes all the algebraic expression. That is a polynomial, an algebraic expression with a one term, an algebraic expression with the two terms, an algebraic expression with the three terms, an algebraic expression with the 4 terms, 5 terms, 6 terms, any number of terms it may contain, all will come under polynomial. Let us take example. Here minus 20, 8x, 5x, 3xy square, etc. These are all polynomial. Okay. Second one, 3x plus 2y is a polynomial of 2 terms. X plus 4yz minus 7z plus 8 is a polynomial of how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms. Every monomial, every binomial, every trinomial and every multinomial is a polynomial. So polynomial contains every monomial, binomial, trinomial, multinomial, etc. Now fifth one, a polynomial cannot be of the form 1 by x, 3 by x plus 5, 2x by x minus 5, 5 by x square, etc. That means polynomial, this variable will not come in the denominator. Variable should come in the numerator only. Okay, now here in this example you can see x raised to 1 by 2. So x, if x is raised to a natural number means it is a polynomial, otherwise it is not a polynomial. ഇപ്പോൾ എക്സിന് ഒരു നാച്ചുറൽ നമ്പറിലേക്ക്, നാച്ചുറൽ നമ്പർ സ്റ്റാർട്ട്സ് ഫ്രം 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 എക്സെട്ര അങ്ങനെയാണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അതൊരു പോളിനോമിയലാണ്. ബട്ട് എക്സ് റേസ് ടു ഫ്രാക്ഷണൽ നമ്പറൊക്കെ ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് നോട്ട് എ പോളിനോമിയൽ. Now in this box you can see terms are separated by plus and minus sign only. I told you plus or minus sign will only separate the terms, and the signs of multiplication and division do not separate terms. If multiplication and division comes means you have to consider it as a single term. Always remember these 2 points. Next topic, products and factors. A product is the result of the multiplication of 2 or more constants or literals or of both. So if you multiply 2 or more constants or 2 or more literals or both constant and literal, what you are getting is a product. Okay, രണ്ടിൽ കൂടുതൽ കോൺസ്റ്റൻസിനെ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ലിറ്ററൽസിനെ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ബോത്ത് കോൺസ്റ്റൻസിനെയും ലിറ്ററൽസിനെയും മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് കിട്ടുന്നതിനെയാണ് പ്രൊഡക്റ്റ് എന്ന് പറയാം. Let us take one example. 5x and y. 5 is a constant. X and y are 2 literals or variables. Okay. We are multiplying 5x and y. 5 into x into y. What we will get? On multiplying this constant and the literals, these 2 literals, we will get 5xy. 5 into x into y, we can write it as 5xy. This is called a product. Okay. Now in order to get this product 5xy, we are multiplying 5x and y. Okay, ഈ പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് 5xy എന്ന് പറയുന്ന പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് കിട്ടാൻ നമ്മൾ ഏതൊക്കെയാണ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്നത്? 5x and y. So these are called factors. 5x and y are called factors. Factors means each constant or each literal which we are multiplied together to form a product. ഓക്കെ, അതായത് നമ്മൾ ഏതൊക്കെ കോൺസ്റ്റൻ്റ് ആണോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഏതൊക്കെ ലിറ്ററൽ ആണോ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്തിട്ട് പ്രൊഡക്റ്റ് ഫോം ചെയ്യുന്നത് അതിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ ഫാക്ടേഴ്സ് എന്ന് പറയാം. ലെറ്റ് us take another example. 5axy. 5axy. we will get this product 5axy by multiplying 5 into a into x into y. Okay, so 5axy is the product. We will obtain this product by multiplying 5a, x and y. So these are the factors of this product 5axy. 5a, x and y are the factors of this product 5axy. Okay. Next topic, coefficient. Any factor or group of factors of a product is known as the coefficient of the remaining factors. Let us understand what is coefficient through an example. One product we are taking 5axy. In this, coefficient of 5 will be, you can see here 5a, x and y are the factors. 5a, x and y are the factors of this product. Okay, so coefficient of 5 will be the remaining factors. Remaining all factors you can take as coefficient. So it will be axy. Similarly, coefficient of a, it will be the remaining factors except a you can take. It is 5xy. Now coefficient of x will be except x. What are the factors? 5ay. Coefficient of y will be, you can see here, 5ax. So any factor or group of factors of a product is the coefficient of the remaining factors. ഒരു ഫാക്ടറിൻ്റെ കോഎഫിഷ്യൻ്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് റിമൈനിങ് ഫാക്ടേഴ്സ് ഓഫ് ദാറ്റ് പ്രോഡക്റ്റ്. ഓക്കെ, ഒരു ഫാക്ടറിൻ്റെ ഒരു പ്രൊഡക്റ്റിൻ്റെ ഒരു ഫാക്ടർ നമ്മൾ സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യാണ്, അതിൻ്റെ കോഎഫിഷ്യൻ്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എന്തായിരിക്കും? റിമൈനിങ് ഫാക്ടേഴ്സ് ആയിരിക്കും കോഎഫിഷ്യൻ്റ്. In now we can take like this also, coefficient of 5a. In any combination we can take the factors. Coefficient of 5a will be the remaining factors, that is x, y. Coefficient of ax will be the remaining factors. What are the remaining factors in 5a, xy except a and x? 5 and y. So 5y, 5 into y. Coefficient of xy, it will be 5a. Now coefficient of 5ax, we can take like this also. 5ax will be y. So 5axy is the product. In that, if you have to find the coefficient of 5ax, we can select the remaining factor. Remaining it is only y, so coefficient of 5ax will be y. Coefficient of axy, coefficient of axy, it will be the remaining factor of 5. Similarly, coefficient of 5xy, so 5xy, remaining factor it is a. Okay, so coefficient can be any factor or a group of factor of a product. Coefficient എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഒന്നില്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു ഫാക്ടർ ആയിരിക്കാം, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ഓഫ് ഫാക്ടർ. ഒരു ഫാക്ടർ, ദീസ് ആർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ ഫോർ ഫാക്ടർ. These are examples for 5a, 5y, xy, 5ax, 5ay, 5xy. These are examples for group of factors. So these are all coefficient of the remaining factors. Okay.